Mega love shout out everyone. So this is Minom Shawa vlog and we are here at the Pidwaan Falls, also known as the Courting Falls, nestled in Sitio Pidwaan, Barangay Napangan, Don Victoriano, Misamis Occidental. Now what makes Pidwaan Falls so special? It's a stunning 60-meter courting-like waterfall tucked into the lush slopes of Mount Malindang, range with crystal clear waters so pure they're even safe to drink. It is being surrounded by dense forests, cold mountain air, and serene natural ambience, a perfect escape from city life. Most visitors enjoy taking a dip in a cold, clear basin at the base of the falls. So, let's astonished by the beauty of Pidwaan Falls. So be astonished with this enchanting courting falls. The falls are about 60 meters high with a curtain-like cascade and crystal clear waters that even safe to drink. Visitors often enjoy peaceful, solitary moments, especially on weekdays. Don Victoriano is becoming known as the Baguio of Northern Mindanao, thanks to flourishing strawberry farms, especially around Mansawan, where visitors can pick and taste the juicy fruits.